Special marine warning. Thanks, LWX. I'm guessing
the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia, has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy
I might get copyright strikes because I don't know if you can, but you might be able to hear my
Potapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until noon.
I'm going to close it out.
At 10:29 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles west of Haverty Grace to 22 nautical miles west of Fort Smallwood State Park, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Turkey Point, North Point State Park, Hart Miller Island, Tilchester Beach, Wharton Point, Pools Island, Spassuti Island, Gunpowder River, Northeast River, 7-Foot Knoll, Haverty Grace, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms.
Okay, we're going. Maryland tour drill. Required monthly test. Okay, we're going.
This is a test of the Maryland Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. This test is being conducted in conjunction with the Maryland Tornado Drill.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go outside because I'm WNG 4 and WXRadios&More on. Oh, did it go? It went off for it. There we go. What?
This test also serves as the Emergency Alert System required monthly test for April. Broadcasters in cooperation with local...
I can't get WBAL, so I won't be able to get it. Let's go. They're doing their own test. Let's see. There we go. Okay, we're done. Now that all three. Okay, XRWT. We got a good code.
This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on Station Code 35 from New York City. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in southeast New York: Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester. In northern and central New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test.
Well, PHI tested early.
Station WXL 39 in Allentown. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of potentially dangerous weather situations. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, normal test time. The test will be postponed to the next good weather day. If there is a reception of this broadcast, Mercer, Morris,
We're back.
Somerset,
Okay.
Sussex, and Warren.
Change from that. Where is it? Where is it? Come on. They're not testing yet. Oh. WX 60. Okay, they're testing. They're testing. Okay, let's see. I want to see. I should be able to if I go over here. Oh. Come on. I know. You were just getting this for...
Signal are normally conducted Wednesday. The forecast states
They're done.
severe weather winds 5 to 10 miles
They've been done.
postponed to the New York Harbor.
Wait. Come on. I'd like to get WXK's test. Okay, they're done.
The current in Pennsylvania, Berks, Chester, Montgomery, Lancaster, and
Got him. Okay, we got them. We got WX97.
thank you for listening to
And we're gonna get the end of them, too. Got them. We got everyone.
WNYTQIP has just interrupted their regular programming. This station is conducting their weekly test of the emergency alert system. There is no actual emergency in the area. Please stand by for a test of the emergency alert system. This is a test of the emergency alert system. WNYTQIP has just conducted a test of the emergency alert system. If there had been an actual emergency such as a tornado or flash flood, important information would have just followed this message. This station conducts their weekly test at 5:15 p.m. Eastern Time every Friday. This station has now concluded their test of the emergency alert system. Normal programming will now resume.